It is pouring down rain again. Real hard again here in Carrollton. With a lot of wind. Let me go here to my front window and show you how it's blowing. It's coming off of his trailer over there. We've been having a lot of rain like this here. A lot of rain like this here lately. Just a lot of wind-driven rain. Almost every time it rains, the storms, we're having a lot of wind-driven rain. There's that one, then there's this one here. Okay. Whoops. Okay, second part to my video I just made here a little bit ago. It's still storming down in that direction, down towards Harrison County. We just got done with a round of real heavy rain and wind that blew down, well, as you can see, blew in my neighbor's siding there. This is what basically came over us just a little bit ago. Heading into, well, Harrison County and Jefferson County. I just experienced some funny issues in my house trailer where I think my house trailer kind of moved a little bit from the high winds that we had. We've been having a lot of these storms here lately. With all this lightning and heavy winds and heavy rain. Well, it's going to come again, so I go. Here it comes again. Get inside here. More heavy rain again. Just doesn't seem to know when to stop with these storms like this. Well, anyhow, I'm trying to enjoy a nice quiet evening, but again, Mother Nature has a mind of its own.